3 minus 1 which equals 2, and here in the parentheses also 3 minus 1 which equals 2, okay? Then 2 times 2 which equals 4, okay? But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction, okay? In this expression there is one subtraction here and one multiplication here, and one parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis there is subtraction, okay? Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this multiplication, finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. First we have to do this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, 3 minus 1 which equals 2. Then 3 minus 1 times 2, okay? So here there is one subtraction and one multiplication. Therefore, according to Pemdas, this multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction, okay? Before multiplication comes before subtraction according to Pemdas. Therefore, we have to multiply these numbers. 1 times 2 which equals 2. Then 3 minus 2 which equals 1, okay? Therefore, this is the final answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem is equals to 1.